disease in the world that is cannot be solved or doesn't have the doesn't have the things that can make you healthy if you get that disease. But with AI, we can actually know what is the how to care ourselves in order not get infected with the disease or can get healthy when we cause or we get the disease. Just like cancer, to this day, doctors still using AI to
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to MTSB channel, MTSB Choice. So hello guys, welcome to our today's podcast. In both of us, we're gonna talk about the interesting topic or great topic about the technological innovation. And our main discussion is about the AI. So AI is the important thing and can be alternate way for the in modern era. So before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Mitor Fala,
and my name is Putra Cakra Pamukasasnaf.
and we are from Egg Point 3. So as I said, we're gonna talk about the technological innovation about AI. So AI have the impact or have the explanation that make the AI can be understanding of the guys about the audience. So Chakra, talking about AI, can you describe it specifically? What is AI?
That is a very good question, because AI in this modern day is a very big impact. It also have a big impact. Did you know that?
Yes, I know it.
Yes. So AI is stand for artificial intelligence for those who you doesn't know. And AI is a system that are made by a scientist and who are good in the computer in the 1995. So for the name itself is the artificial intelligence. So which means it is a system of intelligence that the artificial are made by a man or man-made. It is from a human. And the purpose of this AI is first to imitate the intelligence of our mind, and also it is have a lot of impact in this world because of how it's powerful in the AI. But why is AI can be powerful than our mind? Because first, AI is connected to internet, and after a lot of development from the human, the AI is can connect with the internet. So if we compare AI and also human intelligence, it's not even comparison. It is a different. It's not even a comparison. Because what? Because the intelligence of human is cannot follow up the upgrade or the improvement of the AI, because AI is connected with the internet. So if we get a question from people, we maybe think to maybe 2 seconds, 5 seconds until we answer, but not like with AI, because AI is based on the computer and also internet, and also in the internet is a lot of knowledge. Maybe you just ask something in the AI and only a few seconds or a few milliseconds your answer will be ready. For the simple explanation is ChatGPT. Did you know in this project how to maintain physics and also maintain our body? There's a lot of students that use AI.
Yes, I know. I see a lot of students that use ChatGPT for help his project.
Exactly. So why many students use AI for answering their problem in the project? Because first one, the AI can answer a question really fast, only a few seconds, and boom, you can have your answer. For the example, ChatGPT, ChatGPT. Are you using ChatGPT?
Yes, I know. I
Yeah.
use it fully.
There's a lot of people that do it, not only in Indonesia, but only all over the world use ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is a browser. It's just like a browser where you can talk with the AI and ask. And when you ask something, let's go with the simplest thing. How to make fried rice, or what is the recipe to make fried rice? You just type those things in the ChatGPT. You can do it on your phone, laptop, computer, whatever you like it, whenever, as long as you get the internet. You just type it. What is the recipe for fried rice? You just click it, type it, and enter. And just only a few seconds or a few milliseconds, you have your answer. But the impact of the AI is cannot be is is not just a normal impact. There is a big impact. There is a good and also the bad impact. So let's go for the good impact in order y'all know how to do it, the how to use the AI in order we get the good benefit. So the good things, because the AI is connected with the internet, so it have a lot of knowledge that we doesn't know. Maybe mathematical, science, or maybe physics, how to you build your body in order you can get a good physics. Yeah, whatever you like it, whatever you want to know. You just type in the ChatGPT, whatever you like. For the example, let's go with the mathematical equation. You just ask for the ChatGPT. Can you give me some question about the mathematical equation? Click it, and you have it your question, and you can write it on your book and try to solve it. But if you doesn't know how to solve it, you can also ask it to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT, can you solve the question that you given to me? And boom, you also can know how to solve a mathematical equation. It's not only you can give the example of question, but it is how to solve it. But maybe some of your people are not good with English, or it is a language barrier, you know. But to solve it, it is very easy. You just need to go to the GPT and can you translate to bahasa Indonesia, please? Click in enter, and you can have the solving or the mathematical equation and also the solving with the Indonesian language. With that, the language barrier is cannot be a problem anymore. I think that's it. My explanation about AI.
Okay, I will give you more additional of the information. So from the explanation of Chakra that he has been talked about the example of AI is ChatGPT. ChatGPT have a program or can be formulated with the directly answer from the question that give from the students, and it is make the advantage for the students that want to ask in ChatGPT. So Chakra, talking about advantage. So can you describe it? What is advantage of AI?
So advantage of the AI. So the advantage of AI is you can name it. It is really a lot. Those who you know, AI is still in upgrading, or many people still want to know what is the maximal or the maximize the potential of the AI. So people still doing research or still maximize the AI. And one of the news saying if the AI is can solve a disease, because the Indonesia, or not only Indonesia, there is a lot of disease in the world that is cannot be solved or doesn't have the things that can make you healthy if you get that disease. But with AI, we can actually know what is the how to care ourselves in order not get infected with the disease or can get healthy when we cause or we get the disease. Just like cancer, to this day doctors still using AI to help many doctors to can know what is the cure of cancer. Because of that, there's a lot of advantage from the health in the electronic industry. There's a lot of things, but one of the advantage, because we are students, so we wanna talk more about the advantage as a student. So as a student, what is the important or what is the advantage about the AI is there's a lot. So one of the advantage is we can know a lot of knowledge, because my last explanation, if the AI is connected with the internet, so when you ask to the AI and the AI is searching in the internet and give you all the answer and the AI is not giving you answer in the long and hard to understand text, but it is more complex, easier and shorter text that you can understand. And because of that, many people use the AI to know knowledge or solve a problem. Because of that, you can know a lot of knowledge that you want to know. Maybe you don't very understand with science, you can search it in the ChatGPT. What is the explanation? What the science think about this? Blah blah blah, or what? You just type in and boom, you can get the knowledge and you get the information that you need. Are you using ChatGPT?
Yes, I'm using.
And how long did it take to ChatGPT to answer it?
Just a few seconds.
Just a few seconds, right? Because it
fast.
is very fast and you can get a lot of knowledge with that. Many people use it because it is fast. You can do it anywhere, anytime, anything, and anything you want to know about. Because of that, there's a lot of advantages. The first one is about health, knowledge, maybe about physics, and maybe some of you guys want to do some diet. You can look it up to the ChatGPT. Can you give me how to diet properly, and can you give me how to exercise in our home? You can definitely do that. So the advantage of AI is to help us with faster and anywhere, anytime. That is the much advantage. And because you ask me two questions, I just want to know about you. For you, as a student, right?
Yes.
Are you a student?
Yes.
Yes, you are a student.
Exactly.
So, what is the function of AI for you as a student?
So okay, if we're gonna talk about the function of AI as students, we have a three function or third function that we can find of the AI using. So the first is the optimizing the job task with routinely. So AI can collect the data or accomplish the data from the intelligence of human and can it give with the answer the question that give from the students, and it makes the students can be more spirit or can be motivating to do the something that may be benefitful, like want to study and learn addition from the lesson of the schools yet, and we can repeat it with the maybe the example is ChatGPT is the fully of the AI program that make the students can be easier to use it for the answering the question that maybe for the learners for the lesson like science, math, and English and others. And the second we can find of the students can be have the good analytic or the can be have the critical thinking, because yeah, as I said, the AI can be accomplish the data that make the students can be satisfied with the answer of the AI. But in additionally, AI have the good or the bad impact, because the AI just the accomplish the data or collect the data. It is make the to according the answer or the to questions that make be lack of concept of the AI, that make the understanding of students will be decreased and maybe in a wrong concepts. Okay, let's we next to the third function. So in the third, as I said, it is related on the first function about the optimizing job task routinely. It is can be changed into the usually or habitually to do task job. With AI, students can be enjoy and full out of the pleasure, because the AI can give the best answer and maybe in a fully answer from the learners and maybe from the project. In this current environment, we have the task about the project it is for take a longer time. Yes, Chakra?
Absolutely, I need maybe 3 or 4 weeks almost to do this project.
Long time, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is take a long time. That we can conclude the AI can be overcome our problem and can be questioner to answer the question that we give from the students. So I think it is.
Sorry.
Yes.
So, based on your explanation is awesome. I fully understand. So, do you think if AI is still gonna improve more in the next year?
Yes, absolutely.
So, yeah. So, which means the modern era or the future era, there is still AI, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, I have a great question. So, what is in the future? What will happen in the future if there is still AI? What will happen?
Okay, it is the interesting question, because it is talk about the future and talk about the prediction what gonna happen if AI still appear and will be the technological innovation in next future. So it will can answer in two ways. So in first ways, in our environment, yeah, students can be use it the AI as the help tool.
Kamera. Dulu kamera.
Yeah, the AI can be the help tool and self research because the AI have the good advantage that can be explained of the chakra. So maybe from the students can be understanding of the AI and make the AI have the good intention for the next up to do the AI want to be the good or the bad impact for the next future. And the second, we can talk about the prediction about the AI if there's in next future. So it is can talk about the Yo 20. It is Yo 20. It is like a organization that talk about the AI or the effect of AI that appear on the future. And it is talk about the bad impact and good impact if there is a AI and related to the citizen condition or the society condition that make the it is have a good impact or bad impact for our country. And the AI can make the return or change the provision like from the musician or the art. The AI can be returned to the video clip that maybe created the songs or created the music and draw an art because AI have abilities from the intelligence of human and it is can imitate into the new video or new creation. So I think it's all, but I want to addition is AI can be good or bad as their users that can benefitful or useful with correctly and niceful. So Chakra, is any other want to question for me?
I think that is okay for me. I just fully understand what you're explaining. I think I don't want to ask any question. Do you have one for me?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
So okay, this is the final question that can answer by Chakra. It is talk about the related into the students and our environment. So Chakra, can you give me explanation? How do you students or how do we as effort to utilize the AI using?
So before we ask a question, I want to ask a little question. In this project, how to maintain physics and spiritual, did you see a lot of students that using ChatGPT?
Yes, I see a lot of students that using ChatGPT.
Exactly. There is a lot of people that using the ChatGPT for project, and it is a bad impact or that is a bad idea. And how to in order we using the AI in order we can utilize it or maximize is the potential as a student. So the first one, because we are a student, so we need a lot of knowledge. Like my two last explanation, we need to search a lot of knowledge that we can get because as a student we must look up a lot of knowledge that we can. And also it's not only for using knowledge for in the school like mathematics or other thing. Maybe some of these student is of a hobby. You can search all of the hobbies that you want, maybe to make it as a practice. So for example, maybe children A or students A is like to cooking or like to cooking for their family or for themselves, and to do that in order we can make our skill in cooking is more upgraded or improvement, we can use AI. But how? So the first one, you must look up how in the ChatGPT. You can look at the ChatGPT anywhere, but ChatGPT is faster because if you search it in the YouTube, maybe you must watch it maybe 10 minutes, 11 minutes, or more than 10 minutes to understand. But in the ChatGPT, you just type how to improving our skill in cooking. And you just type in and voila, you can get all the things that you want to improve. Maybe how to cut the vegetable, how to give a good mix in the seasoning, or how in order when you are cooking, when you are giving the seasoning, it doesn't get too salty, too spicy, or to something else. You can.
It is useful, right?
Yeah.
Correctly.
Yeah. Maybe. Are you ever cooking and you get ever too salty?
No.
Whoa, you are a good cooker then. But if if there is many people who still cooking and also give their seasoning, maybe well you cooking fried rice and you put too much salt and it become not good, it becomes salty. That is a skill that we need to improve, and we can use it using a ChatGPT. And as a student, we need to learn anything that we want, anything that we like, because what? Because in the future when we are growing up, we doesn't have any much time to learn it. So in this era or in this age, it is a good time for you to looking on a hobby. Do you have a hobby, Fala?
Yeah, if it is specifically, I don't have. I just playing game in my home.
Playing games. So for the playing games, how to improve playing games? You can also search it in the ChatGPT. Maybe I like games. I don't think ChatGPT cannot give me an answer for it. Nah, ChatGPT can give you anything that you want. Maybe can you give me a good name for my Mobile Legends nickname? Do you play Mobile Legends?
Yeah, it is few. It's
Yeah, I know. Maybe because you are, if you are a new player, you need typing a new name. You can ask for the ChatGPT for opinion. But if the name, you can look it everywhere else. But about the skill, because the skill is need to improve, because if there is a talent but there is no practice, there's no improvement. But if you are doesn't have talent but you want to improvement and you improvement it daily or consistent, you can get good better than people who have that talent. So anything from games, music, cooking, anything else, you can ask to the ChatGPT, because of that you can maximize it. And if you can maximize it, is you can be good at anything that you want, as long as you have cause if you have or you need to or you consistency in improvement, consistency in the improvement, you can do it. So I think that is my explanation. So to maximize it is just do it, you can ask it and do it consistently. I think that.
Okay, I will more give the additional information. The way to utilize the AI using, we can expanding our expertise. Yeah, expanding our expertise, increasing our knowledge to know how to the factors to encourage the AI using to be development, especially in 2045 years. Yeah, we must to prepare it.
Yeah, we must too.
So I think it's enough. Yeah, because it is a long conversation. So the last we say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.